Join me as I dive deep into the stock market and try to uncover the biggest secrets that could change the way you invest. The stock market can be a treasure trove of opportunities, but it's also filled with hidden secrets that can make or break your investments. Understanding these secrets is crucial for every investor, from beginners to seasoned pros. Without this knowledge, you might find yourself making costly mistakes that could have been avoided. Many novice investors dive into the stock market with a misconception that it's all about picking the right stocks and waiting for them to go up. But the reality is much more complex. The market is influenced by a myriad of factors, from economic indicators to geopolitical events, and not to mention the psychological aspect of trading. This complexity often leads to novice investors facing significant challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the emotional roller coaster that comes with investing. Fear and greed can drive investors to make impulsive decisions, often resulting in buying high and selling low, the exact opposite of what successful investors do. Another challenge is the lack of understanding of market fundamentals and how to analyze stocks properly. Without a solid grasp of these concepts, investors are essentially gambling with their money. The sheer volume of information available can also be overwhelming. From financial news to social media, there's a constant stream of data that can be difficult to sift through. This often leads to analysis paralysis, where investors struggle to make decisions due to the fear of missing out or making the wrong choice. Then there's the misconception that successful investing requires you to be a full-time trader, constantly monitoring the market and making quick decisions. This couldn't be further from the truth. Successful investing is about strategy, patience, and understanding the right metrics to follow. Insider trading is a term you often hear, and it does have an allure of exclusivity and profitability. However, the reality is that insider trading is illegal and heavily regulated. What investors really need to focus on is understanding market psychology and how it drives stock prices. This includes recognizing patterns and understanding the behavior of other investors. The power of research cannot be overstated. Diligent research allows investors to make informed decisions, understand market trends, and predict future movements to some extent. This doesn't mean getting bogged down in complex financial models, but rather having a clear understanding of the companies you're investing in and the sectors they operate in. Another secret is the importance of diversification. Spreading your investments across different sectors and asset classes can significantly mitigate risk. It's a strategy that doesn't guarantee profits but provides a safety net during market downturns. The role of patience in investing is also a critical secret that is often overlooked. Many investors enter the market looking for quick profits, only to be disappointed when things don't move as fast as they hoped. Successful investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires you to have a long-term perspective and the patience to see your investments grow over time. One surprising insider tip is to look for companies with a strong buyback program. When a company buys back its shares, it essentially reduces the supply of shares in the market, which can drive up the stock price. This is a sign of a company's confidence in its financials and a good indicator of a potentially undervalued stock. This strategy can significantly impact your investment decisions by providing a clear indicator of a company's health and potential for growth. It doesn't require you to have a deep understanding of financial markets but rather to know where to look and what to look for. Understanding this and similar strategies can give you an edge in the market, allowing you to make smarter investment choices. It's not about having a crystal ball but about being informed and making decisions based on solid data and analysis. Recapping, the key secrets we've discussed include understanding market psychology, the importance of thorough research, diversification, patience, and strategies like stock buyback programs. Being informed about these aspects can significantly change the way you invest, making your journey through the stock market more successful. If you've had your own experiences in the stock market, whether successes or failures, I'd love to hear about them. Your stories can provide valuable insights for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights and strategies to help you navigate the stock market like a pro.